The question is the geometry and magnetic behavior of the complex NiCa4R. Now the solution. Ni's atomic number is 28 and CO is a strong field ligand, so its configuration will be like this. There will be 3 CO on the right side and 1 CO on the left, so it will be sp3 hybridization. Now for 4 CO ligands, hybridization would be sp3 and the complex would be diamagnetic and of tetrahedral geometry as shown here in the figure. Ni is in the center and there are 4 CO molecules on its side. Its shape is tetrahedral geometry.